Hello, fellow riders. Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S and Low Rider Street models. These bikes have been turning heads and burning rubber, so let's explore what makes them stand out. First up, the Low Rider S. This machine is all about aggressive performance and unapologetic power. At its heart lies the Milwaukee-Eight R117 high-output engine, delivering explosive acceleration and throttle response. Whether you're carving up winding roads or dominating the open freeway, the Low Rider S offers an unmatched riding experience. Its recalibrated suspension, featuring a 43mm inverted fork and tall rear monoshock, raises the lean angle and optimizes dynamic performance, perfect for aggressive cornering. The blacked-out trim, red performance accents, and black cast aluminum radiate wheels give it a fierce, streamlined look. The color-matched mini fairing frames the headlamp, providing a striking profile while cutting the wind on long rides. Advanced rider safety enhancements, including new ride modes like road, rain, and sport, and a 4-inch instrument display, make the 2025 Low Rider S not just a ride, but an experience. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S and Low Rider Street represent the next evolution of Harley's West Coast-inspired performance cruisers. These bikes take the legendary Low Rider platform and infuse it with modern technology, enhanced performance, and bold styling to create machines that appeal to riders who crave both speed and substance. With aggressive riding dynamics and the raw power of the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, these motorcycles continue to set the standard for high-performance cruisers. Starting with the engine, both the Low Rider S and Saint feature the Milwaukee-Eight 117 high-output V-twin, which remains the most powerful factory-installed engine in the Softail lineup. This motor delivers exhilarating torque, allowing riders to blast off the line with an authoritative surge of power. The increased compression ratio, performance air intake, and freer-flowing exhaust allow the engine to breathe better, ensuring responsive acceleration and an unmistakable V-twin rumble. Riders can expect a healthy dose of power across the entire rev range, making both bikes thrilling whether cruising on the highway or tackling tight corners. Handling has also been a key focus for the 2025 models. A 43mm inverted front fork provides precise steering feedback and improved front-end rigidity. Paired with the tall rear monoshock, these enhancements contribute to a more responsive and agile ride, particularly in aggressive riding situations. The raised rear suspension increases lean angles, making the Low Rider S and Saint capable of handling twisty roads with confidence. The dual front disc brakes provide strong and predictable stopping power, ensuring the bikes remain controlled even under hard braking. From a styling perspective, the 2025 Low Rider S maintains its signature muscular look, with a blacked-out aesthetic and subtle red highlights. The compact headlight cowl gives it an aggressive front profile, while the one-piece seat and mid-mount controls place the rider in a commanding position. The black radiate cast aluminum wheels add to the bike's stealthy appearance, while the chopped rear fender completes the stripped-down performance cruiser look. The Low Rider Street, on the other hand, takes inspiration from Harley's legendary Fextra fairing, offering wind protection for riders who like to rack up serious miles. The color-matched saddlebags blend seamlessly into the design, enhancing the bike's touring capabilities without compromising its aggressive stance. For 2025, Harley-Davidson has introduced new LED lighting across both models, improving visibility while giving the bikes a more modern touch. The instrument cluster has also been updated with a new 4-inch display that integrates seamlessly into the handlebar-mounted housing. Riders can toggle between different ride modes, including road, rain, and sport, allowing them to tailor the bike's performance to various riding conditions. The Advanced Rider Safety Enhancements package offers additional confidence with features like cornering ABS and traction control, helping riders stay in control even in challenging situations. The sound and feel of a Harley-Davidson are essential to the riding experience, and the 2025 Low Rider models do not disappoint. The exhaust note is deep and throaty, with just the right amount of aggression without being overpowering. The throttle response is sharp, making the bike feel lively and responsive under hard acceleration. Thanks to the refined suspension setup, the ride remains composed even over rough pavement, with the monoshock doing an excellent job of absorbing bumps while maintaining a firm and planted feel. Pricing for the 2025 models is expected to be in line with previous years, with the Low Rider S likely starting around $18,000 and the Low Rider Street coming in slightly higher due to the fairing and saddlebags. While this places these bikes in the premium cruiser segment, Harley-Davidson's attention to detail, high-quality components, and unmatched brand heritage make them a worthwhile investment for riders looking for a bike that delivers both performance and presence. These bikes cater to different riding styles while maintaining the same core DNA. The Low Rider S is ideal for those who want an aggressive and agile cruiser with a minimalist yet muscular aesthetic. It's perfect for city riding and weekend blasts through winding roads. The Low Rider Street, with its fairing and storage capacity, appeals to riders who want to tackle longer distances while still retaining the aggressive styling and performance characteristics of the Low Rider family. Customization remains a key part of the Harley-Davidson experience, and both models offer plenty of opportunities for personalization. Riders can choose from a wide range of aftermarket exhausts, handlebars, seats, and performance upgrades to fine-tune their bike to match their individual style and riding preferences. Harley's Screamin' Eagle performance parts allow riders to push the Milwaukee-Eight 117 even further, unlocking more power and a deeper, more pronounced exhaust note. Harley-Davidson continues to refine the Low Rider lineup by blending modern technology with the timeless appeal of classic American V-twin muscle. The 2025 models improve on what was already a winning formula, enhancing performance, rideability, and technology while maintaining the raw attitude that has made the Low Rider name legendary. Whether you're looking for a power-packed cruiser or a stylish performance touring machine, the 2025 Low Rider S and Low Rider Street deliver in every category. For riders who want a bike that feels aggressive, handles like a dream, and has an undeniable presence on the road, the 2025 Low Rider models are a top-tier choice. With their improved handling, modern safety features, and classic Harley styling, they offer a thrilling and confidence-inspiring ride that lives up to the brand's reputation. If you're in the market for a performance-oriented cruiser with a rich heritage, these are two bikes you don't want to overlook. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S and Low Rider Saint. Let us know in the comments what you think of these new models. Are you a fan of the aggressive styling and performance upgrades? Would you take the Low Rider S for a weekend canyon run, or is the Saint more your style for long-haul adventures? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and content. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the road.